The traffic source that you should start with is the traffic source that you spend the most time on. When you say traffic, I'm assuming what you mean is some sort of social media. So one-to-many, because traffic could be cold messaging people, right? Putting that aside for a moment, you have either paid one-to-many, so ads, or you have content like socials. If you can do ads, I would definitely do ads because it helps you a lot. It's really simple, simpler than people think. In terms of content, it really doesn't matter. Like literally doesn't matter. Sure, you have some people say TikTok doesn't work. Some people say LinkedIn doesn't work. Some people say whatever. Some people say YouTube is the best. Instagram is the best. I would agree with that. I would say YouTube and Instagram are the best for most people. But if you're making a decision, I would look at which one you spend the most time on. And then more likely than not, the people that you want to attract are actually on that platform. So if you spend the most time on YouTube, then I would make YouTube vlogs if that's what you watch, because you already know, you have a sense of what works on the platform. So for example, I really don't watch TikTok much. So I'm not going to spend too much time going to TikTok naturally, unless I get someone that helps me with TikTok, right? Because it's completely different, because I have no idea. I don't watch it. So it's more, instead of trying to pick this perfect platform, it's just picking the one that you're comfortable with and that you'll stick with over the long run, because all of them ultimately work. Thank you for watching the video. Go to the description and click the first link, and then that way we can have a call about why your Skool community isn't growing as fast as you want it to.